Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, especially XRP, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to import an XRP paper wallet in 2025. XRP, part of the Ripple network, is a fast and efficient digital currency, and a paper wallet is a secure, offline way to store your private keys. But with tech evolving by 2025, importing might involve some updated tools and best practices. Let's break this down step by step so you can do it confidently and safely. First things first, ensure you're in a secure environment. That means no public Wi-Fi or shared devices. Think private computer and a strong antivirus setup. Why? Because in 2025, cyber threats are even more sophisticated, and we don't want to risk your funds. Step 1. Gather your materials. You'll need your XRP paper wallet, which has your private key or seed phrase printed on it. Make sure it's stored safely and undamaged. Next, download a reputable XRP-compatible wallet app. By 2025, options like the updated Ripple wallet or integrated apps on platforms like MetaMask might be standard, so choose one that's verified and has good reviews. Step 2. Open your wallet app and navigate to the import section. This could be under Accounts or Import Wallet. Enter your private key or seed phrase carefully. Double-check for typos because one mistake could lock you out forever. Step 3. Once entered, the app will verify and import your XRP. You might see a confirmation screen. Always review it before proceeding. In 2025, enhanced security features like biometric verification or multi-factor authentication could be mandatory, so be prepared for that. Finally, after importing, test a small transaction to ensure everything works. Back up your new wallet immediately and never share your keys online. There you have it. That's how you import your XRP paper wallet in 2025. Remember, the crypto world is exciting but risky, so stay informed and cautious. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.